Welcome to the ultimate grilling experience with the Bull Angus Premium Barbecue Grill, where power, performance, and precision come together. Built to last, the Bull Angus Barbecue Grill is constructed from high-quality 304 14-gauge stainless steel. Its single-piece dual-lined hood not only provides superior insulation, keeping the grill's exterior cool to the touch, but also ensures it remains pristine for a lifetime of use. Accurate temperature control is at your fingertips with the Angus's easy-to-read thermometer. This essential tool allows you to dial in your cooking temperatures with precision, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Versatility is key with the Bull Angus. It features a powerful 15,000 BTU infrared backburner, perfect for achieving that ideal sear on your steaks. Additionally, the built-in rotisserie motor and spit offer endless possibilities for roasting and grilling a variety of meats, making your culinary creations even more impressive. With 4 robust stainless steel cooking grates, the Angus provides a generous 810 square inches of grilling space. This ample area allows you to grill up to 15 delicious hamburgers at once, making it perfect for family gatherings and backyard parties. The heart of the Angus's power lies in its solid cast stainless steel bar burners, delivering a remarkable 60,000 BTUs of cooking power. Each burner is equipped with a dedicated friction-based piezo ignition system, ensuring a quick and reliable start every time you fire up the grill. Durability and peace of mind come standard with the Bull Angus. Enjoy a lifetime warranty on the firebox, the solid stainless steel cooking grates, and the solid cast stainless steel bar burners, giving you confidence in your investment. Uneven cooking is a thing of the past with Bull's proprietary reliable even heat technology. Developed in collaboration with the Mechanical Engineering Department at California Polytechnic State University, this advanced technology uses specially designed flame tamers and an integrated baffle system in the burners. This innovative system improves heat distribution by over 250%, ensuring even heat across the entire grilling surface and eliminating those stubborn hot and cold spots. The Bull Angus Barbecue Grill is designed for convenience and style. The complete cart model comes with a sleek and durable stainless steel base, 2 sturdy side shelves for ample prep space, and heavy-duty casters that make it easy to move your grill around your outdoor living space. Whether you're hosting a large backyard party or a small family dinner, the Angus provides the flexibility and functionality you need. For those looking to create a custom outdoor kitchen, the Bull Angus is also available as a drop-in head unit. This option allows you to integrate the Bull Angus into your dream outdoor kitchen setup seamlessly, combining the grill's powerful features with your personalized design. Imagine the possibilities with the Bull Angus Barbecue Grill. From weekend family barbecues to hosting neighborhood cookouts, the Angus is the perfect companion for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Its powerful performance, durable construction, and versatile features ensure that every grilling experience is a success. Elevate your grilling game and make every meal an event with the Bull Angus Grill, where power, performance, and perfection come together in one incredible package. Ready to transform your outdoor cooking experience? Discover more about the Bull Angus Barbecue Grill by visiting our website at outdoorkitchenoutlet.com.